What's up, investors? Back with another investing video. These are my day trades for the week. These are going to be on my watch list, stocks that I want to get in, get out of, or possibly long-term play, because I do have a bonus stock for you at the end if you make it that far, if you do watch till the end. Apologize for the background noise. I am outside, but yeah, I don't ask anything. I'm not trying to sell you anything. All I ask is for like, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. These are just stocks that I like. I always encourage people to do their own DD. Look into the stock yourself. Don't take my word for it. All right. None of this is financial advice. I don't endorse any of these stocks. These are just ones that I'm interested in trading and possibly investing in. So let's get into it. I'm going to try to make it short, sweet, and straight to the point as possible. My number one stock, talked about it plenty of times, Maxxin, MAXN. It is the number one shorted stock right now. 73% of the float is shorted, and there's not that many shares out there, but there's a lot in dark pool. Not going to get into that. Could make a whole nother video about that. But there's good news about this company. You know, $2.4 billion investment in New Mexico for a new plant, multiple 13Gs coming out almost daily about this company. If you don't know what that is, basically that is big companies investing, buying a lot of shares, corporate companies, big names buying into the company, and it's a lot of shares, and it could possibly be a lot more. But you know, it's a risky stock, but it's a 30-cent gamble, possibly less if you could get it at 19, 20 cents, right? Gamble for a stock that could be $2 to $3 in the future, possibly near future, especially if there's a squeeze with the stock. And the more they short it, the more likely it could squeeze. And less than 80 million shares for a stock that trades 200 to 300 million shares every single day. Something's got to give there. Not going to spend too much time on that, but the number two stock, for obvious reasons, DJT, Trump stock. I mean, what happened this weekend, the attack at the rally, I feel like this coming week the stock is gonna go up. That's just my personal opinion. I think it's about to go crazy. Anything could happen with it. It could also get heavily shorted because the stock is shorted. There's shorts out there in this stock. Last I seen, it was 31. So if it does come down, look at getting in around the $30 level, or 29, in the 20s, mid 20s probably, before you see a bounce to the higher highs in this stock. The upcoming election and earnings coming up for this stock. So all of those, along with what happened this weekend and all the political stuff that could follow, could boost the stock a lot. Also, there's big names that are starting to endorse Trump, Elon Musk and Bill Ackman. If you get more big names in the investment community, it could really boost this stock as well. My number three stock for the week is VEV, Vicinity Motor. And really why I put this on my list is because it did amazing Friday. It spiked 255% from $1.14, and then it came down. So they either shorted it or people sold because it was a Friday, but that momentum still could be there. But it did come back all the way down to 65 cents. So it almost like had no gains when you looked at it on the chart. Wild stock. If any of that momentum gets back into the stock, then it could go back up close to $1, maybe, possibly. Anything could happen. But 32 to 60 cents would be a great range to possibly get into that stock. New certification, they're able to sell vehicles in California, and now they're able to sell vehicles in any state. So great news coming out for that stock. That's why it popped, and it could keep popping. My number four stock, I've talked about it before, and this is the one that I've actually got a couple shares in. I'm getting back in. I've traded it before. because it's pretty volatile, so it is risky. 60 to 59 cents is where I'm looking at buying shares. That's where I bought in Friday. So this stock could keep coming down, and I would like to average down if it does, but it could also pop back up above $1. It was a #1 shorted stock, but then they had a reverse split, so this stock could get back on that list. I don't know why it's not on the threshold, but if any of the momentum gets back into this stock as well, it could go up, but it could also come down. It could have a 20 or 30% drop. So that one is a little bit more risky, but do you want to risk it for the biscuit there? All right, if you made it this far, thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. It helps the video. And I will give you out a bonus stock here. Space, Virgin Galactic, it's been doing good. SPCE, they just completed a factory for their new Delta spaceship. I just think that the volume's not quite there. If the volume in the stock continues to rise, then the stock could see $9, $10 again. It's been a while since it's been that high, but space sitting at around, it's above $8 right now. I'd like to get in at $7, $8, under $8 would be nice to get in at this stock. So those are my stock picks for the week. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for the subscribes, the likes, the comments, all of that good stuff. Look out, put these on your radar, put it on your watch list, and we'll see how the week starts. I'll have another video up this week of some more picks for you guys, hopefully, but always do your own DD, and it's not financial advice. These are just stocks I like, baby. I want you guys to make some money. Of course, I want to make money, and I hope we do. We'll see you on the next video.